Now, before I start showing you exactly how I find winning campaigns using Anstrax, we must first set up the proper search filters so that we could efficiently see the winning campaigns right away and easily change through various countries within those same settings. So to do that, the very first thing you're going to want to do is go to the top right of your dashboard and click Advanced Search. Once you do that, this screen will be presented to you, and we're going to create a couple of rules and sort by rules and able to save these searches. So the very first rule I'm going to create right here is to make sure that all the ads we see are coming from MGID, because that's the traffic network that I'm recommending and that we'll be using through these examples. Next, we're going to add a rule here, and that rule is I want to see ads within the country that was considered one of the best performing through the traffic insights list that I showed you in a previous lecture. Now, I'm just using USA in this example. And the next thing we're going to do is sort by, add gravity, and make sure that it's descending. And that's about it. We're going to then save this search. Simply just save it something simple. You put MGID, US, and then put something like gravity and hit save. Now, once that's saved, we're going to do two other rules and searches to save. So now keep all the settings the same, and instead of add gravity, we're going to check add strength and give it another name, MGID, US, and then we're going to put strength. If I know how to spell it. There you go. And then from there, hit the save button again. Last but not least, we're going to do this one more time, keep everything else the same except for the sort by rule, and this time we're going to use duration. And then, like before, give it a name that is easy for you and hit the save button. Now, we did 3 different search filters here: gravity, strength, and duration. Now, what that will allow us to do is, now that these searches are saved, we could simply just go back to the advanced search feature and then click one of these saved searches, and it's going to load up and sort these ads accordingly to those rules that you set up. For example, if we search through duration, we would see the top ads, or the longest running ads, in the US that's also running on MGID. And if you look through ad gravity, that meter is more of an indicator of how well that ad has been running recently. And ad strength is the indicator of how well that ad has run in its lifetime. And when I show you in the next lecture exactly how I look through these filters, using all these 3 search functions will allow you to see patterns within that country. And it's going to give you an idea as to what campaigns you should also be running right now. So make sure you have these settings all saved, because I'm going to be using these settings in the next lecture when I actually show you how to use this. So I hope that helped. I'm Paulo Perdue from LibertyBlueprint.com. See you in the future lecture.